Hi class, I'd like to take a look at number 6 from 3.4. So if you look, we're given a polynomial and we're asked if we have a factor or not. So the polynomial we're given is here, and we want to know if x plus 4 is a factor. Okay, so it says to use synthetic division and factor theorem to determine if this is a factor. So let's start with synthetic division. Now with synthetic division, we're going to use the coefficients and we're going to make sure that each and every term is represented. So I'm going to take off the coefficients here and notice that x to the third has a coefficient, x squared does, so does x, and the constant term. So we don't have to account for any terms that are missing. If say there wasn't an x squared term, then we'd have to put in a 0 for the x squared term. Okay, but we're lucky. We don't have to do that today. So we're going to set up our synthetic division, and the first thing we do is drop down the 3. Now, we need to know what we're multiplying by, so here, right outside in front, we're going to put the factor. Now I need to make this equal to 0. So -4 is the number that's going to go in front. Okay, so I drop down the 3, then I multiply by what's in front. So 3 times -4 gives me -12. And then I add them together. And then I multiply 4 times -4 times -1 is a +4. Then I add it together. And then I multiply. Oh, it's a +12. And then I add it together. So we had to decide if this was going to be a factor or not. It would have been a factor if we would have ended up with a 0 as our last point here. But no, we did not. We have this 3 here. So because it's not 0, that tells me x plus 4 is not a factor. Okay, I hope this helps.